Hi, it's Justin Costello coming to you from MarineMax in Pompano Beach, Florida. I want to show you a brand new 2020 Sea Ray 250 SDX outboard. Let's hop aboard. You can see that it's got two-tone gel coat, black hull sides, white bottom. Coming up, it's equipped with a 300 horse V8 Mercury Verado. And then what I love about this boat is you're gonna see it's the biggest 25 in its class. Lots of spacious seating with a reversible backrest here. So when you're, not running at anchor, wanting to enjoy the sandbar or hanging out swimming with the family and friends, the seat's on a slider. It gives you a ton of deck space in the back. And then when you are underway, we just slide this backwards. And it opens up to be a very, very large L-shaped seating area. Boat is equipped with a freshwater washdown shower, cockpit table, bimini top, as well as the 9-inch Simrad GPS fish finder combination, as well as your motor and engine controls are in there. Digital throttle, digital shift, Fusion stereo system. You also have the upgraded interior, so it does come with the cushions. If you wanted to lay down there, I can fit in there fully to lay down. There is a marine toilet underneath there. Port side walkthrough, deep gunnels, feel very safe walking in the boat. Cooler in the front, so your guests don't have to keep walking back and forth to get a drink from the cooler in the cockpit. Cup holders, 12-volt outlets. This boat is available. It's Justin Costello, MarineMax, Pompano Beach, 954-633-2070.